So a quick video today for the section called Rate or Slate My Plate. And today I've made in the oven roasted pork ribs, potatoes and mushrooms. So basically it's about a kilo, just under a kilo of pork ribs, and I've cut them into individual pieces, some potatoes and about 7 or 8 mushrooms, quite big ones, which I've cut into halves. And we're going to be eating these with a simple salad, which is lettuce, onion and tomato, with some salt, olive oil and vinegar. So if you want to know how I make my roast dinners in under 1 hour, have a look in the description box. I'll leave a link there. I'll also leave a link to some nice salads that are easy to make and delicious. Well, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to rate or slate my food. Cheers!